Hindi po ba required, at least naman lang ma'am, common sense naman lang, na kung sa tingin mo, hindi tama yung nakasulat sa certification, hindi mo pipirmahan. Common sense po ba yan, di ba?
Your Honor, we
wait.
object to the question because the prosecution is already badgering the
No,
witness,
I'm
Your
not
Honor.
badgering. Let's go back. Sinasabi mo, security officer may access to security information. Now, if the tech is ready, can we show 3.27? 3.27 ng joint circular. But this is rather brief. I will read for everyone's consumption. Security officer refers to a personnel who by reason of his duty or employment has been officially designated as such to have access to security information. Tanong, nasa 3.27 ba, yung nabanggit kong provision, yung terminong confidential activities, yes or no? Wala. Ma'am, wala, di ba? Yes or no?
Confidential.
Wala po ba? Security information. Ma'am, I will confront you with a document. Please, Attorney Mark.
Asa siya? Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Wala dyan, di po ba?
Wala po dito.
Now, pero on the other hand, 3.29, this time the definition of a special disbursing officer, nakasulat dyan, refers to head of agency or a regular employee designated by the head of agency to be in charge of making disbursements of CF. Anong ibig sabihin ng CF?
Sa akong, in my own understanding, Your Honor,
Confidential.
CF means confidential funds.
Agree. Sa dalawang provision na yan, napakaklaro, trabaho mo as a special disbursing officer yung pag-disburse ng confidential funds. Wala sa security officer's definition ni isa. Wala dyan nakasulat na trabaho niya. Confidential activities. Pag-disburse ng confidential activities, tama po ba?
Ako po ang nag-disburse, Your Honor. Dili po siya ang nag-disburse. Siya lang po ang nag-implement, Your Honor.
Yes, that's your answer. Now, ma'am, sinabi mo kanina na as SDO, hindi naman required na may background in confidential activities. Hindi po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Sinabi din na walang necessary training into confidential activities. Hindi po ba?
Ano yun?
Walang training in confidential activities na requirement for confidential, I mean, as an SDO, walang requirement na training in confidential activities.
Wala po nakabutang dito, Your
I'm
Honor.
just curious ba, ma'am, ano po ba yung natapos niyo, ma'am? Ano yung college degree niyo?
College graduate po, Your Honor.
College graduate, anong kurso niyo?
Customs Administration, Your Honor.
Ma'am, saan kayo nag-aral?
Sa Davao po.
Anong school?
Maths College of Technology.
Customs Administration.
Opo, Your Honor.
Did you take a licensure exam?
Wala, Your Honor.
Okay, now. Ma'am, sinabi niyo na wala kayong background sa confidential activities. Hindi po ba?
Confidential operation po, Your Honor.
Confidential operations. Yung tanong is, ba't kaya kayo yung? Kung alam mo lang ha, since wala kayong alam, yun yung pinapakita nyo sa mundo na wala kayong alam, ba't ka naging SDO kung alam mo? Hindi mo rin alam.
Misleading, argumentative, Your Honor.
There's basis.
Complete the question, counsel, if I may.
Yes.
Kung wala kayong training sa confidential activities, bakit po kayo ang napili bilang SDO para panghawakan ng confidential fund? Hindi lamang ng OVP, pati ng sa Davao po nun.
Hindi ko alam po, Your Honor, kung bakit ako po ang kinuha ng Vice Presidente as SDO.
Sa
Okay.
OVP at sa City of Davao. Opo, tama.
Sa dalawa po, Your Honor.
I will ask this question, Your Honor, and there's basis. Hindi po ba naging SDO ka because you follow orders blindly?
Ano blind?
Objection, Your Honor.
There's basis to
Argumentative.
that, Your Honor. There's basis to the question.
It's argumentative, Your Honor.
Naging SDO ka,
Reform Council, it is
naging SDO
argumentative.
ka kasi sinusunod mo lang lahat ng utos sa'yo. For example, ng Vice President.
Same objection, Your Honor.
I reformed.
We will allow it, Council. We will allow it, Council. Kindly answer, sa pananaw niyo po ba yan ang dahilan kung bakit kayo ang hinirang ng SDO nung Davao at ng OVP?
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor.
Hindi mo rin alam.
Hindi mo masabi na dahil sinusunod mo lahat ng inuutos sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor. Basta ako, ginagawa ko lang, Your Honor, ang akong pagiging SDO, Your Honor.
Mhm.
Okay.
Now, let me continue, Your Honor, please.
Please proceed.
Madam Witness, sinabi mo kanina, yung pagre-report ko naman, that was in coordination with the security officer. In coming up with the report in coordination with the security officer. Di ba naalala mo yung tanong tsaka sagot na iyan kanina during cross-examination by the defense? Alala niyo po ba?
Opo.
Ba't hindi po ba sinabi niyo rin, ako yung nagtatanong while I was asking you, sinabi naman ni Colonel Lachica na wag nang magtanong kasi nga, paano ini-implement? Kasi confidential yung mga ginagawa niya. Di ba nasabi niyo yan when I was asking you questions?
Giverify ko po, Your Honor.
Okay, we will go into that. Do you want me to repeat the question? Kanina sinabi mo, you came up with the report in coordination with the security officer. You said yes. But when I was asking you questions, sinabi mo, may mga sinabi si Colonel Lachica na wag mo nang tatanungin yan kasi that is confidential. That's part of confidential activities. Naalala mo sagot na yan, di ba?
Opo.
Opo. So therefore, you tried verifying kay Colonel Lachica. Sasabihin niya, Ma'am Gina, wag mong itatanong yan kasi nga confidential. Pero you still submitted certifications na tama yung pinagamitan ni Colonel Lachica ng confidential activities.
As
Based
an
po
answer,
sa...
Your Honor.
I mean, the
Witness
counsel
may
answering
answer.
for the witness.
Kindly answer the question, Ma'am Gina. Based sa?
Nag-base ko din po yun sa mga documents, Your Honor, na binigay sa akin ni Colonel Lachica.
Mhm.
After po, matapos po ang pag-implement ng confidential funds,
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Honor.
Mga documents na sinabi nyo rin kanina, klarong-klaro, crystal clear, na wala kayong personal knowledge or personal na nalalaman. Hindi po ba?
As an answer, Your Honor.
Your Honor, this is another
Um,
topic.
On redirect, no? Witness may answer.
Ano po, sir?
Wala po kayong personal knowledge dun sa mga intelligence confidential activities na ginawa ni Lachica. Binase nyo lang sa dokumentong binigay niya.
Yes, Your Honor. O pag-verify na ko sa iya, o ibig sabihin mag-verify yung pagpangutanan na ko sa iya, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me continue. Now, sinabi nyo kanina na wala namang requirement, na may alam sa confidential activities, walang training. Pero hindi po ba, ma'am, na requirement sa SDO yung pagkakaroon ng common sense?
Anong ibig sabihin, Your Honor?
Oy, napakaklaro ng tanong ko. Ma'am, I will repeat the question. Sinabi nyo, wala namang requirement na may alam sa confidential activities, walang special training sa confidential activities. Pero hindi po ba, bilang SDO, at least naman lang ma'am, required na yung SDO na pinipili ng isang vice president, may common sense.
May utak po ako, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now, kanina, sinabi din ng Defense Council na yung certification that you identified apat, may format naman. May format naman yung joint circular, hindi po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
And then, sinabi ng defense, hindi kayo allow to modify yung content ng format na iyan. Hindi po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
I remember you saying that.
What's the objection, Counsel?
Your Honor, the question is misleading because the question is pertaining to the certification, the template of the certification, Your Honor.
Exactly. If I may respond through the presiding officer.
I
exactly.
remember that too. You mentioned it pertaining to the certification that it cannot be modified in any way. And you referred to Annex B, if I remember correctly.
Yes, Your Honor.
Witness may answer.
Nawala ko da.
So sinabi kanina na since may format yung certification, hindi po pwedeng i-modify ng Office of the Vice President yung format na yan. Hindi po ba?
Opo.
Opo. Pero ma'am, hindi po ba required, at least naman lang ma'am, common sense naman lang, na kung sa tingin mo, hindi tama yung nakasulat sa certification, hindi mo pipirmahan. Common sense po ba yan, di ba?
Your Honor, we object to the question because the prosecution is already badgering the
No,
witness,
I'm
Your
not
Honor.
badgering.
Overruled,
It's
Counsel.
the meaning of
Overruled,
the question,
Counsel.
Your Honor.
That's not
Overruled,
badgering.
Counsel. Witness may answer.
Mm.
Ma'am Gina, dahil hindi nyo pwedeng baguhin, hindi naman nangangahulugan na pag hindi totoo yung nakalagay doon, hindi nyo pipirmahan. Pinirmahan nyo yan dahil sa paniniwala nyo, totoo yung nakalagay doon. Sa certification po
Yes, totoo, Your Honor. Kay meron naman po ako mga documents nga gikan galing kay Colonel Lachica na security officer after po na-implement niya ang confidential operations, Your Honor. Kaya nagpirma ko, Your Honor, mo to akong isa sa gibasihan o basis, Your Honor.
Your Honor,